Hey, Cole here. Thanks for tuning in. This video, I'm going to show you my Motohansa BMW tool roll. I'm going to tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and if I would buy it again. So let's take a look at it. Before I bought this tool roll, I looked at a lot of different options for what I thought would be the most complete tool set for my BMW F900 at the time. They sell a BMW specific version that will cover pretty much all the adventure bikes, and it might cover a few more. This tool set comes with pretty much every tool that you would need to do just about anything from routine maintenance to make some emergency repairs on your BMW adventure bike. I actually had to use this on the Chattahoochee BDR. I low-sided and I bent my brake pedal up and busted the brake switch off the back and had to make some repairs right there on the side of the trail. This thing worked out really good. So it's got a full set of all the sockets that you would need for the BMW. I had to buy this adapter for the F900. This is so you can take the rear wheel nut off. Obviously on the 1250, you don't need it. It comes with an adapter to take off your front wheel, spark plugs. It's got the hex head sets. It's got the Torx set. It's got some larger sizes here. And it comes with probably one of my favorite things in this tool pouch is this screwdriver. Screwdriver flips into a T-handle. Put your bits into the T-handle and you can use it like that. You want to use it as a screwdriver, it just flips back over. It's probably one of the most used tools that I use in this tool set. The ratchet is extendable. Extend the handle on it. I'm trying to do this with one hand here. So you can extend the handle out on the ratchet and then lock it into place so that it is more like a breaker bar as a ratchet. The combination wrenches on the box end come with a spline drive. Let me see if I can get it to focus on one of the bigger wrenches here. They come with that spline drive. That spline drive can fit just about any style bolt that's made. I really like that about these. Came with a pair of vice grips. Got a storage pouch on the side. It did not come with the tire irons, but I carry a set of tire irons with me. So, what do I like about this tool set? It has virtually every tool that you need to work on your BMW. And it rolls up that you can stick into your pannier or however else that you decide that you want to carry it. Things that I don't like about it, it's not waterproof. So if this gets wet, your tools are going to get wet. And it is a bit heavy. I'll try to drop a note in the description that with the exact weight for how much that thing weighs. But other than that, this is what I found to be the perfect tool pouch for your BMW adventure bike. Would I buy this exact same one again? Yes, absolutely. I'd buy it. The tools are great quality. I've used them multiple times, and it is just an overall good pouch.